Time to share dinner, guys. Definitely time. Thank you, guys. You see, it wasn't that long. It's just an hour. It took me an hour to cook. These are the easy part to cook in Jamaican food, you know? Start right here. All right, let me cover this. I'm going to share the dinner now. It's time to start sharing dinner for the kids. And then I'll be finito. Sorry. What is that, guys? So I'm done cooking. Done. Let me show you my clothes out. Hold on. So here is the brown stew chicken in here. And here's the dumpling and green banana. And I have some gungo rice and peas I'm gonna give Gabs because Gabby is really not a fan of dumplings, you know. But I just want some dumpling tonight and no rice. And I have sweet potato in there. So it's just perfect. It just blends perfectly for me. So I'm gonna feed them now, guys. Time to feed these little pumpkins. Time to feed them, you know? Time to make sure that they're eating. And they're eating right. But Gabby doesn't like gravy. So this is Gabby food. Some brown stewed chicken. This is her food. Gabby! Gabriella! Gabriella! Like a kid. Daniel? Hey guys, that's my brown stew chicken. I'm done cooking. You call Daniel? Call Daniel for me. I hope she hear me. Daniel. She called. How many dumplings you want? Huh? Oh, you don't want a dinner? Okay, no problem. Knock your brother, see if he wants dinner. She don't want no dinner, guys. You're back now? Let me share up my food. Yes? Huh? Okay. Alright, let me share it. Here's. Yep, baby. It's time. So guys, with the bananas, when we peel them in the skin, we just got, you eat bananas, Papa? Huh? You eat green banana? You don't want it? Okay. Alright. You want sweet potato? Huh? Just dumpling. Alright. See how these are nice? Look at them. Nice and delicious.